Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. And I apologize, I actually I was going to put it in the other video, but when I was watching the video, I left it out. If you're doing a bunch of text to path all over your page or all over your workspace, and you want to leave it where you could edit it later, you can't remove that circle without removing the whole thing, unless you go to arrange and break text apart, and then you can get rid of the circle. But then you cannot edit this text again around that circle. So in lieu of that, we're all grouped together here, but you can click on your circle and go down to the outline pen tool and sorry about that, and go up and put no outline. Now your circle is still there, your laser just can't see it. And you could always go edit it and play around with it because it's really there. The laser just doesn't, won't print it or see it's there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.